नमस्कार, नेशनल खबर की खास प्रोग्राम में आप सभी का स्वागत करती हूँ। मैं स्वाति सिंह और इस वक्त मैं इंडिया बुक ऑफ रिकॉर्ड्स के मुख्यालय में इस समय मौजूद हूँ। एक ऐसा मंच जो आपके हुनर को उभारने का काम करता है और इसके साथ ही जो आपके आसपास या सोसाइटी के लोग हैं जो आपको नहीं जानते हैं उनके सामने आपको एक पहचान दिलाता है। और इसके साथ ही आज जो हमारे साथ अलग अलग क्षेत्रों से आए हुए हुनरबाज हैं वो हमारे साथ आज मौजूद होंगे। तो चलिए एक एक करके उनसे मुलाकात करते हैं।
हमारे साथ हैं मिस्टर पी माइकल प्रीतम राज। सीधा चलते हैं और उनसे जानते हैं उनके रिकॉर्ड के बारे में। हेलो मिस्टर माइकल।
Hello ma'am.
A small introduction about your record, please.
Yeah, so I have developed the smallest electronic circuit for counting applications. So actually what I have developed is an memristive counter with least number of memristors. Previous record they have developed memristor counter but they have implemented with 16 memristors. I have implemented the counter circuit with one memristor alone. This was possible because the engineering was done in the signal instead of doing the engineering in the circuit.
Okay. What inspired you to pursue research in the field of memristive counters and their applications in automatic irrigation system?
Yeah. So first of all, whenever we are pursuing any research, it is important we pick up a field which has arrived recently into the market. So memristor was invented in 2008. If you see the current mobile phones, laptops, they are based on transistor technology which was invented in 1950s, very old. Memristor was invented very recently, that is in the year 2008. Now because of this, there is huge scope for research. There is huge scope for invention. If I pick transistor as my research, the amount of invention that I can do is less. Whereas when it comes to memristor, because it was invented recently, I can do more inventions in that field. And what I have seen is until that time, no one has developed the memristor based counter directly based on the functionality of the memristor. So seeing that, I wanted to develop the memristive counter, and counter is very important electronic circuit. Let it be laptops, let it be mobile phones, let it be watches. They have tiny counter circuits without which these operations are not possible. Even your laptop display will not work without the proper synchronization of the clock. So it is very important for the clock to have a counter circuit, and that is the reason I have worked on memristive counters.
What challenges did you encounter during the research?
Yeah, so first of all, any research is like this. When we start, we are clueless initially. But as you keep on thinking about it day and night, like for example, you are eating, you should think about it. You are traveling, you should think about it. Slowly, you will get to know what is happening. And parallelly, what you should do is see literature, see YouTube videos, see general news, what is happening in the field of research, and what scope is still alive, we have to look into it. And based on that, will have to make certain decisions. We will have to identify what is missing in the current research. And what I have identified was the memristive counter. There is huge scope for research there, and hence I have taken up that topic.
Okay. What impact do you hope your research paper will have on the field of engineering, technology, or automatic irrigation?
Yeah, so first of all, worldwide billions of dollars is being invested in the field of memristive technology, and that is exponentially growing. Means as time progresses, more and more amount of money will be invested on this technology. And as I have mentioned, there was no memristive counter. I was the first person to develop memristive based counters depending on the transitions that happen within the memristor. There are other circuits, but they didn't consider the state transitions within the device. I have taken the inherent property of the memristor, which is state transitions, and based on that I have developed the counter circuit. And as an advanced application of that counter circuit, I have developed memristive automatic irrigation system.
Any message you want to convey?
Like research point of view, I would encourage many youngsters to pursue research because that will take our nation to great heights.
Thank you.
Nice talking.